Okay, so I studied biology. I really like it. It's one of my many interests. It's probably the field that I am best at. I wanted to be a doctor, but that was taken away from me. Anyway, if you look at a cell, like a human cell, you will notice it has well defined borders. We're talking about basic human life here. Um, there's a distinction between the organized material inside of it that works for the benefit of the whole cell, not communism, not not degradation and cancer and vileness, uh, but everybody does their role. There's an organelle like the mitochondrion, right? We know this as the powerhouse of the cell. And it creates the ATP needed for uh, energy in the cell so everything can function. And there are like the mitochondrial reticulum that delivers, it provides, uh, you know, nutrients to everything. And it also pays itself. Uh, it has its role and it does its role well. So if you recognize what kind of like picture I'm trying to paint here, is that the cell is the basis of life, right? It is successful. It is what is successful. Life is here because it succeeds. And one of the major components of life succeeding is a well established border between its well regulated, well organized, well functioning innards and its environment. So if we have a state, I'm not reading anything, I was just checking out my environment. Uh, I'll show you. Nothing. Nothing to see, dude. Um, if we have a state and we try to create a successful state, well, one of the components of that state, you can really think of a state as a cell of the organism. What works, what doesn't work, get rid of the cancer. And, I think one of those main components is a well-defined border, well-established border that selectively allows what it wants and what it doesn't want in and out. A selectively permeable membrane. That is, what we should aim for. Uh, any illegal people here, you're not supposed to be here. Uh, you came here illegally. You broke the law by setting foot here, and it's not like I don't go to your country and do that. Uh, have morals, have virtue, trust in Jesus.